10 birds considered the least common or rarest in the world. 1. Amsterdam albatross, Diomedea amsterdamensis. This species of albatross is endemic to the island of Amsterdam in the Indian Ocean. It is estimated that there are less than 200 individuals today. 2. Kakapo, Strigops habroptila. The kakapo is a nocturnal, flightless parrot found in New Zealand. It is one of the rarest birds in the world, with fewer than 200 known individuals. 3. Hermit ibis, Geronticus eremita. This species of ibis is one of the most endangered birds in the world. It is found in North Africa and some places in Europe, and it is estimated that fewer than 500 individuals remain in the wild. 4. California condor, Gymnogyps californianus. The California condor is one of the largest birds in North America and is critically endangered. Currently, its wild population is around 400 individuals. 5. Electroanus scanzini, Electroanus scanzini. This pigeon is found only on the island of Comoros, in the Indian Ocean. It is estimated that fewer than 50 individuals remain in the wild. 6. Harpy eagle, Harpia harpyia. The harpy eagle is one of the largest birds of prey in the world and is found in rainforests in Central and South America. Although it is not critically endangered, its population is considered low, and there are estimated to be fewer than 50,000 individuals. 7. Nippon ibis, Nipponia nippon. This species of ibis is endemic to Japan and is critically endangered. Only a few hundred individuals remain in the wild. 8. Spix's cotinga, Cotinga maculata. This species of cotinga is endemic to Brazil and is considered extinct in the wild. There are only a few individuals in captivity. 9. Kagu, Rhinochaetos jubatus. The kagu is a bird endemic to New Caledonia in the South Pacific. It is considered vulnerable, and it is estimated that fewer than 1,000 individuals remain. 10. Guadeloupe parrot, Amazona vittata. This parrot is endemic to the island of Guadeloupe in the Caribbean. It is believed to be extinct in the wild with only a few individuals remaining in captivity. These birds are just a few examples of rare or endangered species in the world, and their conservation is essential to preserve global biodiversity.